Yes, we did it. 103 on the official Bitcoin all-time high. According to Portfolio, yes, we have finally reached the 100K mark. What I've been told we was going to do high. According to Portfolio, yes, thought was going to do it around Christmas. Did it, 2 weeks earlier. Man, amazing. Thought the Bitcoin run was going to be over. We kind of hovered around the 98, 99, 95 mark for a couple months. A couple of weeks actually. Now we're here, man. So what this means is now that it's over the 100K mark, we're going to see a lot of sellers, a lot of volatility around this 100K, 98, 103 mark. It could go up to 115, could continue to grow. As you know, BlackRock continues to buy billions of Bitcoin. The U.S. government transferred billions of Bitcoin that they seized from underground and black market websites, moved it over to Coinbase. So Coinbase stock is going up. It's a more Bitcoin stock, Bitcoin in circulation now. So that, kind of reduced the scarcity, but now more people can buy, more retail buyers like you and me can buy Bitcoin and buy other assets. Now, Bitcoin is extremely high. If you're trying to get the bag, if you're trying to get the money, not the best thing to buy right now. But if you believe in Bitcoin long term, if it's 103 now, it's going to be $500,000 in the next 10 years easily. So, if you got kids, be young, this is a retirement plan. But if you're trying to get money right now, rotation sector, the money is about to rotate from Bitcoin into other coins, what they call altcoins, alternative coins, and meme coins. You want to do layer one coins. Layer one means they have their own infrastructure, they have their own technology, they have their own thing going on, just like Bitcoin. Ethereum is a layer one. Litecoin is a layer one. Solana is a layer one. XRP is a layer one. Cardano, layer ones. You want to invest in those legacy coins that's been around for 5-6 years are going to spike heavily. Chainlink as well, Polygon. Write all these down. Replay this, write these down, and then the meme coin's about to go crazy. If you're familiar with the Base network, Base is Coinbase's official chain, official coin. Coinbase is the #1 crypto exchange. Like I said, the U.S. government just transferred billions of Bitcoin over there, so they're really the only trusted exchange. They're really too big to fail at this point. So the money is going over there. So when the money goes over there, you follow the money. You want to look up Base meme coins. Base, M-E-M-E meme coins. Google that. Go on to YouTube. Do your research on those Base meme coins. Top one, looking at Brett Andy, Alien Base, Ski Mask Dog. Brett Andy, Alien Base, Ski Mask Dog are the top Base meme coins. And then over Solana meme coins. Of course, you got all the ones. Chill Guy, Riz, Giga Chad are big right now. Solana, and then of course the old school Ethereum's Base meme coins like Dogecoin, SHIB, Pepe. All those has been around for a couple of years. Bonk is going to be big coming up this winter. And look for a major catalyst right around inauguration. But my timeline's been off, so everything has kind of moved up. So I'm thinking around Christmas, the Santa rally, and these meme coins and some of these layer ones are going to be big. So stay tuned, stay looking out. Shout out to everybody who's taking advice, taking action. Let's get it. Let's get rich this year, baby.